We gotta wait because they just started. Yeah. Here, let's maybe I'll look for them to come down the hill. Yeah. So we're waiting to get good track space right now. So I'm Michael. Nice to see you. The other driver is Mason, and so yeah, we'll have a nice kind of nice friendly on-track battle, you know, into a launcher ends and have some fun. So right now, just looking for track spacing. We want to let the other drivers who are learning the track, you know, have some good space. So, and ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, he's got a good launch. Normally we don't go that fast in pit lane, but
it seems a little fast for pit lane.
All right, we got pit out up here. Always gotta be aggressive on pit out. Feel the diff pulling me around. It's awesome. Look at Mason right there in the mirror. He's right there. Yeah. Gap him here, but he's got a good run. Oh look, he might make a move. He's going for a move right there. There he goes. See if we can get him in the next turn. Ah! Oh, he's blocking. Look at him go. He's gonna let me have the inside. Here we go. Pass into the corkscrew. Here we go. Woo! Almost done. Turn 9. Here we go.
It's amazing how much grip you actually have through there.
So good. A little oversteer. Pit in, there you go.